This is the omnidirectional wheel that are on the front and rear of the Magix. To service the wheel or to take the wheel apart if there's any problems with it, what you need to do is remove the fasteners that are all mounted on the one side. One thing to note, when you put it back together, to mount the hubcap, you need to spread these out. So tall, short, tall, short, tall, short. Separate the two sections. So now on the inside of these wheels, they are spring loaded. And what this does is helps with the torque that the user feels when the Magix pulls away or backs up, and it also reduces the stress on the spindles that are attached to the driveline. So you just work the back part of it off, set that on the side, and then that's what you're left with. So basically what this ring is plastic injection molded sections that have the sliders with the pucks mounted over the top of them. And then 6 pieces make an entire wheel. If you were building one to replace for a client, fit your joiner piece together, and so on until you make a full circle. And then normally you would also, there's a small bit of adhesive that you would use in the center of these, pretty much just to hold everything together after you've assembled the wheel. Once you've got all 6 pieces together, the wheel really can't separate. Once it fits into the rim, that makes a solid piece, and you don't have to worry about it coming apart, but you do use a bit of adhesive here, which makes this part a little bit more difficult. So once you've got those 2 pieces separated, then you just go to the work on the next link. Then after you've got that section out, you can just peel the puck off, take off your slide, and check out the condition of the interior wheel. Generally speaking, we recommend changing not the actual rubber tires, but the inside piece at about 2,500 to 3,000 kilometers. So the rubber pucks basically last a very long time. We haven't actually had to replace any rubber pucks on a wheelchair before the wheelchair itself was miled out. There are 30 pucks per wheel, 6 sections per wheel. So when you're checking them or when you're looking at replacing them, that's what you need to make sure that you've got is the replacement sections with the slides. Underneath, there's little steel supports for them. So you've got your section, you take your tire, your wheel, and then you want to fit that back on. And so on and so on and so on.